Hey guys and gals, this is Jim back here, and I wanted to come back with this real quick video. I know it's a little darker than normal, but when I did the video earlier, this is version 2 of the TIE Fighter, not TIE Fighter, TIE Bomber, the 3D printed 72nd scale TIE Bomber. This is version 2 with the corrected framework around the wings and all that. Um, the sun just decided it was going to pop through the windows into the room and kind of wash everything out. So when I tried to show the cockpit, how I lit it differently than the first version with the different framework around the wings, it wasn't really showing up. I thought the battery was going dead on me, dying, but it was a new battery, so it was just getting washed out from the sun. But this one I lit from above rather than down from below behind the seat, and I kind of like this. It's not as bright and vivid as the first one. The first one also did have clear windows that I put into the canopy frame out of clear sheet styrene. This one doesn't. This one's just open like the filming models would be. But I kind of like the effect of this. It's more subdued, and it kind of shows the outline of the pilot figure and everything. I mean, the other one you can see when you see it in person, but it's just so much brighter with the LED mounted down on the bottom behind the pilot's seat and everything. So I just wanted to come back real quick. I got a few comments on this. I did not 3D print these. Another gentleman did do the 3D printing. He made a lot of revisions from the first one that I did, the first version in my video, to the second video with this version. Um, he made a lot of improvements as far as he cleaned a lot of the edges where the parts fit together up a lot more. It's something he's new at it and everything, and he's learning, and it takes time to make adjustments to the programs and all that too. So I can attest to being familiar with 3D printing, even though I don't do it. I've been a CNC machinist all my life, and basically it's pretty much the same principle as running CNC mills and lathes and everything. In fact, when he told me that they use the standard G code for their files, same thing that we use on CNC machines and everything, only we got different axes than the 3D printer. So we got X, Y, and Z. And on my particular CNC lathe, I also have a C axis, which I can lock in my spindle. I can actually, in my particular lathe, I can actually turn down and mill out all the openings and make custom wheels if I really wanted to and stuff. It's got live tooling, which I can do like bolt circle drilling in a lathe, and also side drilling, OD outer bolt circles and stuff on the circumference of a piece. So it's a pretty high tech lathe and everything. But anyway, yeah, it's very similar to what I do as a machinist. So I can understand there's a lot of playing around with the programs and making adjustments and tweaking things to get everything just right. But yeah, I just wanted to come back real quick. Sorry about the other video being so washed out in the sunlight and everything. But I just thought I'd show you this one is lit in the cockpit, and it is. I think it looks a lot better. Maybe I'll do a video in a few days of both of these side by side, so you can kind of see the difference a little bit too. So, and this one's just on a basic base. I did nothing fancy. Where my first one, the first version that he did, that was actually like maybe the second or third version, but because he had a couple other versions where there was more pieces that you had to glue on and stuff, and do some putty work, some filling and stuff on in that. But um, anyway, my first version that I built was actually on the asteroid diorama base and everything. So that's gonna do it for now. So thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out my videos. Thanks for all the great comments you guys been leaving me. Sorry to disappoint, but no, I did not print these. They are for sale on Etsy and all that. So just look up, go to Etsy, look up 3D printed TIE Bomber, and you'll find it there. Also, everybody have a nice holiday season. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks for all the comments you guys been leaving me. Thanks for hitting the like button, and we'll talk to you soon with another quick update, hopefully on the Batmobile, the 1989 Michael Keaton Batmobile. So till the next time, take care. Bye.